found this guy trying to squeeze out of the shell on one of our deck posts. I brought it in, and I have an albino cicada. Anyway, thought it was kind of cool. Helped him get out of the shell, held it because it dawned on me that I pulled it off the tree so there was no anchor, and watched his wings unfold and the whole 9 yards. Anyway, thought it was kind of cool. I don't think he can fly yet. Wings are still wet. I hope he can't. I don't want to have to find him around the house. Says, "Where's my skin? Help me." Yes.